think it's one of the air fans up there.
Prochaine station, Charlevoix.
It's only when the train is approaching a station, actually. Get another listen here as we approach Charlevoix. Let's take a listen here and see what's going on.
Station Charlevoix.
Yeah, must be some kind of mechanical issue. This is train 81-682. Anyways,
Prochaine station, Genève.
I mean, these guys are old now.
Correspondance entre les lignes Orange et Vert.
Yeah. All right, everyone. See y'all soon.